In this video I will give you some toppings ideas. Hello everybody, welcome to Fabio's Pizza. I'm gonna prepare quickly a pizza and I will walk you through the toppings I will put on top. It's going to be kind of a pizza bianca. I make quite a lot of pizza biancas lately, so I will add a little bit of water on the surface. Here's the first toppings. Cherry tomatoes. I usually add them after I bake, but this time I need some more moisture on the surface because there is no tomato sauce, and this is why I'm adding them straight away. Now, the pizza's in the oven. I will tell you something more. I used some cherry tomatoes, some mixed cherry tomatoes, and they were, if you didn't notice, they were different colors. Most of them, they were the red nectarines. This is pretty sweet. They are actually amazing. I got some yellow ones and the orange ones. They have a slightly different taste, although they are still tomatoey, if you wish. And since the nectarines in particular are very sweet, I will also add plenty of this. Can you see them? Plenty of these microgreens. I have many here. You will see them in a while. I was told I could have grown myself some, but I didn't feel like it, so I just bought them. This is watercress. They are watercress microgreens. And finally, the last touch will be this. This is some balsamic glaze I did myself using simply some balsamic vinegar, a whole bottle like this. I don't want to show you the brand. This is 250 milliliters. You basically cook it, just adding 2 teaspoons of sugar, and you don't need to let it boil. You just wait for it to simmer for I would say 20-25 minutes at least. There are a few versions with spices. You can also add, for example, juniper or cinnamon, whatever you wish. And I was told you can also do a version with red fruits, red berries, basically. I did the simple one. It's just vinegar and sugar. Let me check my pizza and see what's happening inside the oven. There you go. Can you see it? Yes. Let's add the finishing touches. My little garden of microgreens. They taste kind of grassy. And they will do a nice contrast with the sweetness of the cherry tomatoes. And my glaze. A little bit more here. can have a closer look. Hope you will like it. Now I will cut it and I eat it. See you next time.